I keep my bees at Black River Farm and Winery in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. I place a simple sugar solution in a bottle feeder for the bees. This helps the bees adjust to their new surroundings in the new hive. Before placing the new bees into the hive, I remove both the outer cover and inner cover of the beehive. I remove the frames on either side of the middle frame. I place a rubber band on the middle frame. I purchase my bees from a bee distributor. Bees are sold in packages. Packages weigh 3 pounds and contain approximately 10,000 bees and a queen. The queen is surrounded by a mass of bees. I thump the bee package to provide access to the queen. I use my bee tool to open the package. I use pliers to remove the can of sugar solution which comes with the bees that was feeding them in transit. I reach in to remove the queen cage, a small box containing the queen. Some bee distributors mark their queens with a painted-on dot to make the queen more easily identifiable. One end of the queen box has a sugar candy plug. I pierce this plug to make it easy for bees to eat their way through to free the queen. I place the queen box under the rubber band in the middle of the hive. I gently shake the bees into the hive. I reinsert the 2 frames that were previously removed. I put them back on either side of the middle frame. I add an empty hive box onto the bees. The empty box provides space for me to put the bee cage. The remaining bees will leave the bee cage and enter into the hive. In 3 days, I will check that the queen was released from the queen box. I will also remove the empty bee cage, replacing it with new frames to fill the empty box. Finally, I cover the hive.